Hello YouTube and welcome to my channel. In this video I would like to share with you my first Brous blades knife. So this is the Bionic automatic from the custom knife maker Jason Brous from US. And this is the presentation. These came in a nice tube. It's probably the company who is selling them. Just a part number. So you will get the knife and nice certificate. What do we have here? So certificate of authenticity, Brous blades, and this is what he is calling semi-custom Brous blades folder. Limited run of 1000 pieces, signature and date of birth. Okay, so the previous version of this knife was a flipper, and also made a second version of the flipper, and then the third version is a push button automatic. So for everybody who can legally carry them or own them, he wanted to make an even faster opening knife. So yes, here's the serial number. Sorry for that. So this is the number 489 out of 1000, and when I firstly got the knife, I was thinking, man, this is so small. This is so small and so light. So just for demonstration purposes, this is exactly 4 inches or 10 centimeters and some 10 centimeters. Closed. When you open the knife, be very careful, because it has a very hard spring, so it will kick like a mule. The opened length is 17 centimeters or 6.8 inches. Yeah. So the milling work and the grinding is very beautiful on the knife. And Jason really knows how to grind a nice blade. The design, also design features on the top, and the sharpness is very nice also. Yes, so I don't know the actual pricing on them. Initially they were sold for $185 plus whatever shipping you have to pay, but I would say for a semi-custom under $200 from a US knife maker, it is reasonable price. Let's check out the centering. Really good. The tension on the pocket lip is very good, so you have not to worry to lose the knife. Yeah, so if you are in the market for a smaller automatic and want a semi-custom, because obviously you can go with the different kinds of of knives. Like the most popular is the Boker Kalashnikov automatic. They also have a smaller version and a larger version, but this one I would like to see in a bigger version, so a full size, because as you can see I have really big hands, so this is a little too small for me. But the knife is very nice and beautiful. Also all the milling work reminds me a little bit on something alien-like. Okay, so thanks for watching, and I forgot, you have D2 tool steel. Jason is known for using it, and aluminium handle scales, and obviously the hardware is steel, and the pocket clip is reversible. Okay, so once again, thanks for watching, and as always, have a nice day. Bye.